Support and resistance channels indicator. Easily identify key levels on your chart by automatically finding and plotting support and resistance channels. Let's dive into how this indicator works and explore its features. First, the indicator finds swing points, highs and lows, within a range defined by the bar's lookback parameter. Swing points are the peaks and troughs on a price chart where the price changes direction. It uses the swing length parameter to determine how many bars to look back and ahead to identify these points. From these swing points, it forms support and resistance channels, ensuring that the channel height is less than the maximum channel height parameter. Finally, the indicator applies various complex filters to select the best support and resistance channels and plots them on the chart. The indicator is easy to use, focusing mainly on three key parameters: swing length, bar's look back, and the maximum channel height, which we covered earlier. The remaining parameters are optional. For simplicity, you can enable the setting called Use Auto Value for the maximum channel height, which is highly recommended. When set to true, the indicator automatically adjusts the maximum channel height for you. This means you only need to manage two main parameters. The indicator includes an info panel that allows you to quickly adjust key parameters directly on the chart. You need to set Show Settings Info Panel to true to display this panel. A higher swing length results in fewer but stronger support and resistance channels, while a lower swing length produces more but weaker ones. The indicator supports multiple timeframes, allowing you to display channels from different timeframes on your current chart. For example, you can show 1-hour support and resistance channels on a 15-minute chart timeframe. This feature provides a broader view of potential key levels. The indicator offers both solid and transparent colors. You can customize the channel colors to fit your chart style. Support and resistance channels are meant to be tested and can break. Always be cautious and do not assume that these channels will hold indefinitely. Avoid entering trades solely based on these channels. Combine this indicator with other technical analysis tools and indicators to increase your confidence and accuracy in trading decisions. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and happy trading. You can download the indicator from the link in the description below.